Imagine a place where the sun is warm, and the only agenda is to relax. This is Mar de Cristal, a tranquil coastal town on Spain's Mar Menor. Here the main beach is a haven of calm, shallow waters that are ideal for families and anyone who loves a leisurely swim. Step inside and let me show you around these stunning 2 or 3 bedroom, 2 bathroom apartments in Mar de Cristal with expansive terraces. The heart of each home is a sleek, open-plan kitchen, fully equipped with modern appliances, perfect for entertaining or simply enjoying a quiet morning coffee. Imagine waking up to this view in your spacious master bedroom, complete with a luxurious ensuite and a walk-in wardrobe, and the second double bedroom offers ample space with its own fitted wardrobes. Both bathrooms are modern and come with full-size showers and glass screen. Step outside onto your private terrace, your personal oasis, or choose a ground floor model with a garden or penthouse apartment with a solarium. And when you're ready to cool off, a sparkling communal pool and lush gardens are just steps away. These aren't just apartments, they're your gateway to the ultimate coastal lifestyle. Visit the restaurants in the marina and along the promenade, serving up fresh seafood and classic Spanish dishes. Later, you can wander through the streets to explore the local charm of the town, and visit the local town of Los Balones, just a few minutes away with a lively atmosphere and great selection of restaurants. Don't forget to like and subscribe.